The last type of poem that we're going to talk about is humorous. A humorous poem is humorous, which means it's funny. It can make you laugh or has witty or silly nonsensical humor in it. This one's titled Lost My Marbles. Granny said, I've lost my marbles. I didn't know I had them, but I began looking. I looked in front of me, I looked behind me, and I looked all around me. Where are my marbles? I started to go insane. Confusion was in my brain. Was I going crazy? I told Granny I looked everywhere. She almost fell off her rocking chair. Granny chuckled to say, you lost your marbles twice in one day. So what that means that he lost his marbles is that he lost his mind. So that is an idiom. So let's look at a couple others. This humorous poem is titled, I Think My Dad is Dracula.
I think my dad is Dracula. I think my dad is Dracula. I know that sounds insane, but listen for a moment and allow me to explain. We don't live in a castle, and we never sleep in caves, but still, there's something weird about the way my dad behaves. I never see him go out in the daytime when it's light. He sleeps all day till evening, then he leaves the house at night. He comes home in the morning saying, man, I'm really dead. Then kisses us goodnight, and then by sunrise, he's in bed. My mom heard my suspicion, and she said, you're not too swift. Your father's not a vampire. He just works the graveyard shift.
And this humorous poem is titled, My Dog Ate My Homework.
My dog ate my homework. My dog ate my homework. That mischievous pup got hold of my homework and gobbled it up. My dog ate my homework. It's gonna be late. I guess that the teacher will just have to wait. My dog ate my homework. He swallowed it whole. I shouldn't have mixed it with food in his bowl.
All right, so we are going to move on to our read aloud.